Welcome. Here's Annette, and I want to invite you just for a little break. A break in nature. A break to connect with yourself. You can take the time. It will not take long. But you will benefit from it for a long time. Just be here with me. Listen to the birds. And become aware of yourself being part of the whole scenery. You are the one who is watching. And you are the one who creates your experiences. What we experience depends on what we perceive, and what we perceive depends on our state of consciousness. So for some people who are watching, there's me standing in nature talking a bit. And for others, it is an invitation to expand consciousness. I invite you to widen your view, to further possibilities of perception and of beingness. Just for the short time we are together right now. I invite you to connect with me and to be together with me in this beautiful surrounding. There are so many things in life happening which are beautiful, which we just do not perceive. But when we take time regularly to appreciate life, for example, in the beautiful nature, where everything is offered to us on a golden plate, then it's easier for us to see these things in normal daily things too. For this, we have to step out of our comfort zone of daily habits. And it is not always easy to step out of them, as we are used to them. But the more we step out of our daily habits, the more we experience the truth. We can experience the truth in habits too, but it's just a bit more difficult. Become aware of yourself while watching me and nature and listening to the birds. And stay connected with yourself. You should do it in whatever mood you're in. So if you are in a bad mood, it does not matter. Connect with yourself and your mood will improve. If you are in a good mood, it does not matter. Connect with yourself and you will stay in a good mood or even improve it. It's always worth the time to connect with yourself, with your true being. When you connect with yourself, you connect with life. Have a beautiful day and see you soon.